Alright, so I bought this Carpenter square a while ago and I've used it a bunch. I just found recently that I was using my tape measure while I had this laid out on things because the markings, you couldn't read it all. They were all gummed up and covered with glue and grit and garbage. So I finally, after a long time of always using a tape measure to get the readings with, I decided I would clean it up so that I could use it. So what I decided to use was this grinding wheel. It's the abrasive polycarbonate abrasive wheels. So it's kind of like the mesh with some ingrained grit in it. And it's better than a sanding disc, because the sanding disc would just take out the metal as well. So this is how it looks before, where you can't even see the markings. I've already done the other side, so now you can see all the markings on it, and that abrasive disc doesn't take off all the material. So what I'm going to use is my safety equipment, my ear protection, my eye protection. You can see right away the difference that makes being able to read all the numbers where before I couldn't. Again, just to see the difference of how well I'm able to see all the markings now, where before you couldn't. There we can see the final result of how well it cleaned it up. Being able to see all the markings. And the lesson here that I've taught myself is it's not necessary to just leave things alone. It's taking care of your tools and your materials, making the job easier. So that only took just a few minutes, and I've spent, probably hours in total since I got this, using an additional measuring device with it to get accurate measurements. So that's it. I hope that helps. Have a great day.